May dinalang babae si Mr. Ho. Hey, look at me.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! So, good morning, good evening, good morning, good evening Philippines! So, alam nyo ba guys, na bumili tayo ng kahapon doon sa Filipino store? Lutuin po natin. Ito po yung bangos na maanghang. First time kong itry po ito. Bangos na maanghang first time. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko po is makaupo. Ibibake ko po ito ng 400 degree para po lutuin natin, para po hindi masira kasi na-defrost siya sa sasakyan kahapon at hindi na siya pwedeng ibalik sa freezer once na-defrost na siya. Lutuin para hindi masayang yung pera. Hold on guys, pakainin ko muna si Dimples. Okay guys, so yun. Pakain natin si Dimples. Ibibake ko lang siya guys. Hindi ko naman siya sa labas lutuin, isumba. Dito lang siya sa loob. Anuhin ko to para hindi magka-bangus-bangus itong robe natin. Ayan. So yun guys. And then kakain din ako ng rice. Pero I think hintayin ko muna itong bangus bago tayo kakain po. So ngayon itong asawa ko katatapos naligo siya guys. Ganitohin natin guys para hindi niyo makita kasi magalit yun. Kapag makita siya nga nakahubad. Kahit ako naman magalit naman ako. Eh. So ang gagawin ko una is i-spray ko muna ito dito para hindi siya kakapit. Springtime loving you. Gonna spray. Ala, this is really spicy. Oh my God. Yung amoy pa lang, this is gonna be really spicy. Oh, moly moly. Oh, moly moly. Oh, this is gonna be a really spicy fish. Han, stay put where you are. Oh my God, this is gonna be really spicy, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. This is gonna be a really spicy one, and my husband should eat this. First time ko po ito, guys. Oh, this is gonna be biting my ass. Look! Oh my God, So, itry po natin ito, guys, mamaya, guys. Hintayin ko mo lang ito. Ilagay natin siya doon. I-bake natin. Oh my God. Naamoy ko yung sili. Yung sili is sobrang anghang. Naanghang. So, itry natin mamaya. Let's see kung kayanin natin. So, hopefully makaya. Kasi sometimes talaga, yung feeling ko na, oh, masarap ito, maanghang. Pero paminsan talaga, yung tolerant ko ng anghang is, makaya yung iba. Yung iba, hindi. Yung talagang papaaki na yung dila mo. It's a boneless fish and it's spicy, your favorite. You said you like spicy.
Yeah, you said I get in the office, I get spare battery.
Look at it.
In the cabinet.
In the drawer where you put the printer. Aalis na naman kami, guys. Oy, my back is killing me. Oy, look at there. Okay, look over there. There's a lot of battery in there. My back is killing me. It's not killing pain. It's just the itch. The itch of my back is something bitten. I don't know. It's a crazy thing. I saw one in your car. You know that?
What?
I saw one in your car.
It's a wrong one. 2016.
So how come you buy something and it's a wrong one? Whew, God, this is so good. I-broil natin siya, guys. I-broil natin siya ng high kasi I like it brownish. Okay, guys, it's done. It's done. So let's burn it. It's burnt.
I offered.
Nasunog man, guys. Oy, I burnt it without Tammy telling me. Tammy should let me know, but she doesn't. So, itry natin itong sunog. Itry natin, guys. Look. Hindi ko nakuha lahat kasi napagod. Ay, napagod. Try this spicy thing. No, it's not spicy.
They lied to you.
I smell the ano? I smell the spiciness, you know?
So hot sauce on it. I'll make it spicy.
The chili that they put is not that crazy. Ang sarap ipare sa munggus. Yung munggo beans and rice, it's good with it. Hi guys. So, aalis po kami. Nagdala ako ng candy. Kasi, para pag ubuhin tayo, meron tayong candy. Kumain lang kami. Pagkatapos niyan, si Tami nagdagdag siya ng hangin sa gulong. Kasi iwan ko yung gulong niya guys. Bagong gulong, always have a problem. Kasi always talaga, parang low yung hangin. So, kailangan yung dagdagan ng ano. Meron naman siyang pangdagdag dito. Pressure cooker. Air pressure, whatever is that. Punta kami New Rochelle. Mag-try kaming mag-pack ng mga gamit. Lalo na sa bedroom niya po. Parang sumakit yung tiyan ko. Kasi uminom ako ng tubig. Sobrang ginaw. Dito na kami sa isang bahay. So, ang unahin ko kasi impake time. Linisin ko itong sa kama. Linisin ko itong bedroom ni Tami. And, impake, I need bags for his clothing. So, yun, nandito tayo sa bahay ni Bianan. Tinanggal nila yung ano, carpet sa hagdanan. Kahoy talaga siya. This is easy to fix like this. You just sand it, paint it, you're good. We need bags. Is there any bags here? Okay, it's right here. Oops. This isn't clean. Yun yung mga gamit lang ni Tamimoy sa bedroom and then sa kitchen. Where's that bag, Han? Black bag. Because I need to clean up your bed. You cannot just tell me no because you guys, people are coming here, looking the house, and it's not clean. We need to start packing. We're not living here anymore. So, linis tayo. And, yan, ito yung bed. Daming ganap kasi nga, ano, and then, kung matulog si Tami dito, simple. Magdala siya ng habol. Kasi ito yung dapat laghan na unan, bedsheets. Kasi kailangan ko ng linisin. Kasi yung nakakahiya na kapag may tao ditong titingin sa house. Diba? Anuhin ko lang ito guys. Tapusin, linisin. Kasi kailangan naming umalis dito mga 4:30. 4:30. My husband have tampons.
Yeah, okay.
I found it in his drawer here. He's bringing some woman here.
Female.
May dinalang babae si Mr. Ho! Hey, look at me!
Power strip.
Tampons?
Power strip.
Power strips is over here. I told you, everything in the thing is in the bag.
Is in there too?
Hey, I don't even ask me, Tammy, about the wire in the charger. Where did you put the charger? Okay, my found tampons here. Serious?
Yeah, serious?
So, we are done. For now, what time is it? It is almost 4 o'clock. Alis na kami, guys. Tapos naman lang. Malapit nang matapos.
Nothing else is fitting there, honey.
Ha?
Nothing else is gonna fit there.
No more?
No, car's packed.
Okay, we're coming back here tomorrow.
Yeah, I guess.
So, we need to start clearing. So, yung ako, ang kay Tami, bathroom siya naglilinis. So, ako naman is dito sa sa bedroom niya. Look. Kailangan ko na lang siyang dalhin itong bed. Linisin. Ito vacuum dito. Ito, ibigay namin ito guys. Or itapon. air conditioning. Ilagay sa ano, may pupulot man guys talaga guys. Kapag magtapon ka dito ng mga gamit, may mga taong pupulot talaga. Kung ilagay mo ito doon sa door, doon sa walkway, sa may kalsada, may pupulot talaga. Kasi ganyan yung mga tao dito. Magpulot. Si Tami, no, kapag siya yung mag-ano no, hakot, no, hindi talaga niya, ano yun, parang hindi pa siya ready i-empty at linisin atong gamit. So, babalik ako bukas dito para mag-empty ng gamit sa bathroom kasi marami pa din guys, look. What kind of empty is that? Look, yung dinala niya, parang partially ba? Ito, konti. And then, hindi talaga siya. Yung parang yung, ano niya, yung mindset niya. Parang hindi pa siya ready talaga na i-let go itong bahay. Yun yung na-observean ko. Okay guys, alis na kami. So yun, tignan ko lang yun kung meron tayong mga sulat. Ito na, meron na tayong sulat. Okay. Why City Bank of Tax? Wala naman yung laman. Kabiyanan ba? And also, hindi ko alam. I still don't get my Google Tax, Tammy.
Did you check the port?
I did.
Nothing there?
Oh, this is it. This is a different one. This is Facebook. This is not Google. Hala, this is Facebook, huh? Let me see how much I earned last year. I just started that August.
Take it and look at it in the car.
Huh?
Take it and look at it in the car.
Hey, I'm driving. Hold on, how much?
No way. No chance. Facebook. Unless they merged.
No, look at it, honey. It's because it doesn't see Google, hon. It doesn't see Google. Okay, guys. I drive this time. I need to drive kasi yung asawa ko patungo kami. Hala, you have to move your chair, love. Me, I have to move my chair like this. Higher. Yep. And closer. Kasi that's what happened when you are shorty. That's what happened when you are shorty. Okay, this is good, I think. Wala, I don't have a car key. Where's the car key? Hindi ako pala makapag-turn on kasi walang car key, guys. Walang car key. Wala, uy, what happened to Tommy's thing? Oh my God, guys. Itong asawa ko, guys. Alis agad kami kasi kailangan pa ni Tommy mag-stop. Kasi iwan ko na lang sa kanya mag-stop. Mahilig mag-stop. The dog is so cute. Oh God. I don't know why I say dog's cute. Even the owner is cute. O diba, nanguwag pa si ate. Nanguwag og bahog. Hindi ako makakita. Saka ito yung mga laman, mga bag. Galing po iyan sa bedroom ni Mr. Bedroom po iyan niya kasi po kailangan ang daming ano. Han, I cannot turn the car on, you know.
You don't have a key, you can't do that.
Because you don't give me your car key because this is my car. But my car, you have a car key. Because it's my car. Because
somebody's called me up in the middle of the night and said, well, I can't start the car.
So, no. And then what can you do with that thing? You can do nothing, right?
Me, I'm always down here. If I got a problem, at least I got a spare key.
Yeah, but what you can do in my car if I cannot turn it on? You don't do anything.
What did I do? I can't.
You beep beep because you cannot contact me. Beep 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 beep. Say hi to them, honey love.
Hi guys.
That's all his word in the vlog, guys. Hi guys, good morning, I guess. Bye guys.
This is your show.
It's our show, love. People loves you, bebe. Okay guys, we're going, guys. Tignan niyo tong asawa ko, guys. Oh. Look what happened to him.
Autism rate went up in all 50 states at the same time.
Habang nagda-drive ako, guys, oh, look, tignan niyo naman yan, oh. Naghanap ng wire. Naghanap ng wire habang ako dito. Ay, ako, buti wala ng traffic kasi kanina, nag-traffic kanina, guys. Yan. So, let's go. Found it? Okay. Put your seatbelt back.
In a black bag or is it in a
No, it's in a blue bag.
blue bag?
Yeah. So,
I don't see a blue bag.
I told you the blue bag is you put it in the bag.
I don't think so.
Yes. Can you just put your seatbelt?
Seatbelt.
Okay. is that? Oh, no, 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 no.
On your forehead.
No, it's okay.
The sheets or something, I guess. Okay.
Hi guys, nakauwi na ako guys. My eyes is hurting. What are you doing now? The water is everywhere and now he's doing it again. Tingnan nyo guys. Nako, talagang buhay na.
This is why I distract me and then I forget I got one.
No, it's my fault.
Talking, oh, what's this?
I love you. He is Scotch.
You're squishy.
You are Scotch. Anyway guys, so nakauwi ako guys, galing sa ano. And then wala pala akong rice. Gutom na ako. I'm so hungry and my husband na doesn't know how to cook rice. So anyway, magluto lang ako guys ng rice. Nagluto na ako ng rice. And the TV is so loud as usual. Hi guys. So ngayon guys, magluto po ako ng tinulang manok. Kahit ano ng oras, 8:30 na. Magtula tayo ng manok. Hi guys, nagluluto po ako ng tinola. At alas 10 na ng gabi. Alas 10 na ng gabi guys, pero nagluto pa rin ako ng tinola guys. Para bukas meron na tayong makain. Hindi na ako mabisi pa kasi aalis kami. Babalik kami sa New Rochelle. Kaya, yaon. So sabi ko, luto tayo. Maanghang-anghang siya guys kasi look, pinisat-pisat ko yan. At saka may marami pang ano. Nilagyan ko siya ng string beans. This is my first time making tinola with string beans, guys. And then, meron tayong spinach dito. Natulog na siya, guys. Iniwan na niya ako, guys. Usually, kasama ko yan matulog. Magsabay kami matulog. Pero this time, sabi pa niya, nag-live kasi ako, sabi pa niya, iwan daw niya ako dito. Doon na lang daw siya sa kama. Mag-ano. Ilagay ko na po itong spinach. Malinis na po itong spinach guys. So, kaya dire-diretso ko na siya ilagay dito sa sabaw. And then, iduot-duot na lang natin. Iduot-duot ba? Ganito-ganituhin na lang natin guys. Diba? Lit na akong nagluto para bukas meron tayong mabaon. So, yun. Pabayaan ko lang dito siya. And then, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Sleepy na talaga ako guys. Gusto ko nang matulog. At saka bago si Tami natulog guys, nag-ano siya. Naglalaba. Iwan ko na lang. Nilagyan ko siya din ng chayote guys. O look. Masarap yung ano guys, sabaw na may dahon talaga eh. Bukas ito na naman yung ibibake natin. Lutuin natin ito bukas. Ilagay ko na lang siya dito sa container para makatulog na ako. Napagod ako guys. Napagod. Wala naman akong ginagawang masyado ngayong araw. Ano lang, galing isang bahay and then alis agad. Pagdating namin dito, umalis ako agad para kunin si Brenda para mag dumpster dive. Pero pala, walang nakuha. So yun, kaya para ako napagod talaga ako. Naghagok na si Mr. guys. Nag-ano na siya. Tinikman ko na to guys, masarap. Yan, at least meron na tayong sabaw. Ang dami, diba? Ulam pa yan, ang dami. So, hugas tayo ng pinggan. Patayin natin yung ilaw. Mga ilaw. Anyway guys, thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!